Hello everyone. So today we're going to be learning to count rhythms with notes 1, and we're going to play through exercises number 1 and 2. So lines 1 and 2. So let's just walk through some of the things here. So we don't have any pitches. All we're doing is looking at rhythm. We look at the time signature. 2-4. The top number tells us the number of beats per measure. Remember, our measure is marked off by these bar lines. So this is one measure, this is one measure, this is one measure. So you have 4 measures in this first line. The bottom number 4 is 1/4 or 0.25. So a quarter note gets the beat. So 2 beats per measure, quarter note gets the beat. This is a quarter note. These are 2/8 notes. Remember, 2 of them is equal to 1 beat. 1 of them is equal to half a beat. Quarter note is equal to 1 beat. So this is the way you would count this. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Right? So again, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Now we're going to play on your G string. I think everybody has a G string or a G chord. So we're going to play this through with our drum beat. Let's make it a little louder. So getting ready, everybody, on your G. First line, here we go. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. So that's the first line. Try number 1 again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. All right, let's take a look at the second line. So on the second line, we have 2/8 notes, quarter, 2/8 notes, quarter. So this is how the second line goes. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. And I forgot to tell you, this is the way we count it. Every time you come to the bar line, you start again at 1. So for example, 1 and 2, then it's the bar line, so we start again. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. So the 8th note gets a number, and then the upbeat gets the and. So when you tap your foot, when you come down, it's called the thesis, 1. And then your foot has to come up to tap 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Anyway, so here's number 2 again. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. We all have an A string or A chord. Let's do number 2 on your A. Ready, go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Let's do line 2 again. Ready, go. A. 1 and 2, 1 and 2.